Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple coffee using an easy method. We'll cover everything from gathering your basic supplies to enjoying that perfect cup. First, you'll need a coffee maker, a filter, and your preferred coffee grounds. Then, measure your water, usually 6 ounces per cup, and add about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for each 6 ounces of water into the filter. It's really that straightforward. Once your water and grounds are ready, the next step is brewing. Carefully pour the measured water into the coffee maker's reservoir. Make sure the filter, with your coffee grounds inside, is securely placed in the brew basket. Then, simply turn on your coffee maker. The machine will do all the work, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a fresh pot of delicious coffee ready to enjoy. Now that your coffee is brewed, it's time to make it uniquely yours. You can add milk, cream, or a non-dairy alternative for a smoother taste. If you prefer it sweet, stir in some sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute. For an extra touch, try a dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These small additions can truly transform your coffee experience. Finally, the best part, enjoying your perfectly brewed coffee. Gently pour the hot coffee into your favorite mug. Before taking that first sip, take a moment to inhale the wonderful aroma. It's part of the experience. Whether it's the start of a busy day or a quiet afternoon break, savor every drop of your delicious homemade coffee. You've earned it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.